My name is Natalia Chernysheva. I'm from Russia, and I'm studied there during 6 years animation, and after that I made my first film Snowflake, and then I continue study during 2 years in France, and I made there two other movies. And in Pula I'm presenting Snowflake. I'm here to make a small workshop for children. It was my first experience. It was funny. The children, we made stop motion with the plastilin, and it was characters from the sea. I'm drawing as I remember myself. And then it was just more interesting for me to make something more than just paintings. That with working with the sound and rhythm, so make animation film. Now I'm working on my next film. It will be also shot for children, traditional animation, and so we'll see. I work on it in Japan during 3 months. It was a residence program, so it will come soon. Festival has Russian films in the program, and I'm glad about it. So it seems like world interesting about what Russian animation, and it's a huge school of Russian animation. And there is now, for example, Konstantin Branzit has his film "We Cannot Live Without Cosmos." In the festivals, won the Grand Prix in the Annecy. I think we have future. It's interesting, really nice city with the sea. I really enjoy it.